Hello, wonderful family members. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Thank you for joining me today. We're making a very simple recipe today, a minced meat sauce. I have some peppers here, which I just prepped and I just put them in the oven. My major ingredient is my meat, my beef, and I'm just going to be processing this for a bit. I'm using my food processor and I just set it to pulse so that it can become minced meat. So this is how it turned out. I usually prefer using like beef that I buy myself to make minced meat. So in my pan I add some cooking oil, I've added some onions and my garlic ginger paste. I love using this because it just elevates the taste and the dish all together. I'm adding my minced meat now and I'm going to be stir frying this for about 8 to 10 minutes until when it becomes translucent, so that I am sure that the meat has cooked properly. Because it has been broken down, it doesn't take long to cook at all. So I blended my pepper mix, which you saw me adding some oil to it in the beginning of the video. I roasted it for about 20 to 25 minutes in the oven and then I blended it. Doing this makes it like cook less. You don't have to like cook it for a long time because it has already like pre-cooked in the oven already, and it has this like very smoky like taste. And I covered it to allow it simmer before I went on to add the remaining ingredients that I wanted: my bouillon cubes, my salt, my thyme, and my curry sauce, or sorry, my curry powder. Feel free to add anything you so desire into your sauce. And I just like mixed it to make sure that everything was well fused all together before I went ahead to add my capsicum or my green peppers. I just wanted to add like some more texture and some more color to this sauce so that it's not just plain. If you want, you can add other like bell peppers. You can add like the red, you can add your yellow bell peppers, anything you absolutely desire. I usually like to add some green onions too, but I didn't have any, so I couldn't add that. And our sauce is ready. You can eat this with your yam, with your pasta, with bread, with rice, anything you so desire. This is so simple to make, and in no time you already have an amazing banging dish. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in other subsequent videos. Stay blessed until next time. Bye.